To sell on Computershare. Start by understanding what Computershare is. A platform that allows you to buy and sell shares in various companies. The first step is to create an account on the Computershare website, which will require some personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, you will need to fund it, either by transferring money from your bank account or by depositing a check. Next, you will need to choose the shares you want to sell. You can do this by searching for the company name or stock symbol on the Computershare website. Once you have selected the shares, you will need to specify the number of shares you want to sell and the price at which you want to sell them. If you are selling shares that are currently held in a Computershare account, you can initiate the sale online or by phone. If your shares are held in certificate form, you will need to send the certificates to Computershare along with a completed transfer form. When selling shares on Computershare, it is essential to understand the fees involved. These fees can vary depending on the type of shares you are selling and the method you use to sell them. You can find information about the fees on the Computershare website or by contacting their customer service. It is also important to be aware of the tax implications of selling shares. You may be required to pay capital gains tax on the profit you make from selling your shares. It is a good idea to consult with a tax professional to understand your tax obligations. In addition to understanding the fees and tax implications, it is crucial to have a clear understanding of your investment goals and risk tolerance. This will help you make informed decisions about which shares to sell and when to sell them. To get the best price for your shares, consider selling them during periods of high market activity. You can also set a limit order, which allows you to specify the minimum price at which you are willing to sell your shares. Finally, it is essential to keep track of your sales and monitor your account activity regularly. This will help you stay on top of your investments and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and doing your research, you can successfully sell your shares on Computershare and achieve your investment goals.